This video covers the steps to assemble the Graco Dream Suite Bassinet. Here are the parts needed. This is the position handle to be assembled at the foot of the bassinet. Before assembling, make sure that the handle is in this position. This is the incorrect position for the handle. If it is in this position, simply slide the red button up, squeeze the handle, and rotate down. After flipping the bassinet over to the canopy side down, place the non-grooved tube into the top channel above the mesh. This is the leg hub. Make sure that it is placed at the head of the bassinet. You will then take the tube and insert it into the top channel of the leg hub until you hear a click. We are going to repeat step on the other side. Make sure that the tube is inserted to the top channel of the leg hub until you hear a click. Next, flip the bassinet over so the canopy side is facing up. Next, locate the tube with the grooves on the end. When inserting the tube into the top channel of the bassinet, make sure the grooves are facing upwards. We will then repeat the step on the other side. Insert tube with grooves to the top channel of the leg hub. Repeat for the other side. To make sure tubes are secure in the hub, pull slightly. Next, we will attach the position handle to the foot of the bassinet. Make sure the handle is in this orientation. First, insert tubes with grooves to the top channel of the leg hub until you hear a click. Repeat for the other side. To insert the other tubes, flip bassinet over. Insert tubes without grooves to the top channel of the leg hub until you hear a click. Check to make sure metal buttons are visible in the hole to ensure bassinet is secure. Repeat for the other side. Check all positions in the bassinet to make sure they're fully secure. Next, flip bassinet over with canopy side facing up. Next, you will insert mattress pad by placing in and firmly pressing down. Next, we will insert the bassinet legs. Make sure the hubs are in this position. When inserting the bassinet legs, make sure the whole of the leg is facing towards the inside of the bassinet and the dimple is facing in towards the hub. Place leg until you hear a click. Repeat for the other side. Next, assemble the storage basket. First, place tube in the fabric channel. Insert tube into the corners of the basket until you hear a click. Repeat for the other side. Repeat for the other side. Repeat for the last corner. Next, attach the storage basket underneath the bassinet. Repeat on all four sides. Gently press down to ensure storage basket is firmly placed in. Push tab down on all 4 wheels to lock. Push tab up on all 4 wheels to unlock. To flip bassinet over, simply lift up on the red handle, squeeze in, and press the top red button until you hear it click. To flip bassinet to change your mode, simply lift up on the red handle, squeeze, and rotate. Then press down. To raise canopy, attach to the sides of the bassinet. This is how you attach the toys. Your Dream Suite bassinet is now fully assembled.